It's not you, we're fooling with it.
Pretty boy doing?
Hey?
The pretty boy, eh? What's the pretty boy doing? Whistle, whistle.
Is that him?
Yeah. The pretty bird, eh? Who's a pretty bird? What you doing? What you doing, pretty bird? He's very smart, eh?
What's he smart about?
Well, you whistle at him, whistles right back. I guess you can put him right on his shoulder. He won't fly away or nothing. He's a pretty bird. Who's that? Who's that, Mo? Is he whistling at you, bud? No, look at he likes him. Whistle, bud. He's going, oh, he's kissing him.
I laughed at you.
Kissing him.
I let that first bit him in the nose. That's him, Mojo. Did he peck you, Mo? You get
Louder.
to say flip through?
He loves it, eh? Louder.
Right there.